Welcome to a quick tutorial on the different things in Module 1. Let's dive right into this. Our first objective in Module 1 is to know the meaning of the prefixes used in the metric system. We'll be using exclusively the metric system in our chemistry class. The ones here that we have in red, those are the ones you're probably going to want to memorize. The others become familiar with. So, for example, our base units don't have any prefixes to them, but if you have a tenth of one of the base units, that's a 10 to the minus 1, that would be a deciliter. A hundredth would be a centiliter, a thousandth would be a milliliter, a millionth would be a microliter, and then times 10 to the 9 would be a nanoliter. We'll deal mostly with milliliters and maybe centiliters. We also will deal with kilograms as well and kiloliters. So those are the ones that are really important. So just for example, for practice, what I'm looking for here on completing the following with a metric prefix, if I have 10 to the negative 9 seconds, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to call that, instead of 10 to the 9 seconds, I'm going to call that a nanosecond. And so I would write nano right there. And the next one, if I have 10 to the negative 2 meters, well, that's going to be 10 here, so that's going to be centimeters. 1 centimeter is the same thing as 10 to the negative 2 meters. If I have 10 to the 6 grams, okay, 10 to the 6, that's going to be 1 megagram. And if I have 10 to the minus 6 meters, that's going to be 1 micrometer. It's just that simple. So let's look a little bit more here. If we were going to complete the following with a number, if I have 2.5 megagrams, okay, so here's my megagrams, that would be 5 followed by 6 zeros, grams. If I have 1 deciliter, okay, here we have a deciliter, that's just 1/100 or 1/10 of a liter, excuse me, that would be 0.1 liters. If I have 4 milligrams, that is going to be 0.004 grams, 4 thousandths of a gram. If I have 1 picometer, here's a picometer, I'm going to have 0.0 all the way through, I guess that's going to be the equivalent of 10 to the minus 12 meters. So that is the quick down and dirty on the metric units that we're going to use.